guys, today I will be sharing how to make cream cheese Spritz Christmas cookies. For the ingredients, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of almond extract, but if you don't have almond extract, that's okay, you can use just vanilla, 3 ounces of soft cream cheese, 1 cup of butter, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg yolk, and 2.5 cups of plain flour. I will be using this cookie press. This is a vintage one. I got this from eBay. This is the best cookie press there around. So to begin, we're going to combine the room temperature butter and the cream cheese, which is 3 ounces. Add the sugar. Add the vanilla. This is 1 teaspoon. If you don't have almond extract, use 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla. So we're going to beat this for about 3 minutes or until it is very fluffy, just like this. Scrape down the side of the bowl and then continue mixing for at least 1 to 2 minutes again. At this point, we can add in the egg yolk. Beat again. Once the egg yolk is well combined, we can sift in the flour. So combine the plain flour and the salt. Give it a quick mix and then we will sift this into the butter cream cheese mixture. Now I'm going to use the spatula first to mix the flour. And then to finish this mixing, I'm going to use the electric handheld mixer. By the way, your oven should be preheated at this time at 180 degrees Celsius. So this is the cookie press. I'm going to use 3 designs. So put the cookie dough into the barrel. This cookie press is so easy to use. So just put the batter inside, then put the disc that you want to extrude, then lock it. Now the first 3 pumps that you make will not be perfect, so just put them back. You can reshape them later. It takes a while to get the rhythm of how to press the cookie, but once you get the rhythm, it will be easy. If you're not happy, just take them out. Now I'm using glazed cherries in the middle, but glazed cherries optional. Now I'm using the second disc. Again, it takes a little bit of practice to get used to the press. For this one, I'm not going to decorate this because I'm going to dip this in chocolate, which I'll show you later. Now for this one, I'm going to color this with electric green. I will be using a Christmas tree disc for this one. And then I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes. Before baking this, I will decorate this with sprinkles, Christmas tree themed sprinkles. Again, bake for 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And this is what it looks like after baking. Let them cool down completely on the baking tray before moving it. Now I've got 100 grams of chocolate that I've melted. Dip half of the cookie into the chocolate and then sprinkle this with sprinkles. And let this set completely. And this is the finished product. This is really delicious, so I hope you can give this a try. If you don't have a cookie press, you can use a piping bag, then fitted with star tip, and you can pipe this. And just to show you what it looks like inside when you cut the cookies in half, this is really good, so I hope you can give this a try. The other cookie and the Christmas cookie. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next week. Bye.